cut it short because I know we need to start partying. But anyway, ako siguro yung... Ako siguro yung pinakaswerteng manugang.
That's true.
Kasi hindi ka naman hiki.
I think in-introduce na Mami yung topic, which is asking for forgiveness for me. Pero, ang masasabi ko lang, nalagaan mo yung lahat ng apo mo. Kung i-add natin yung mga years na nag-alaga ka ng apo, pag tinignan ko yung tatlo ko, I mean, it's all from you, you know. So, tubig. Talagang emotional ako kasi hindi lang sila ang inalagaan ni Ma, pati na ako.
Yes, that's true. That's true. Nasa New York kami.
Hindi yung sa almusal o yung sa pagkain, dahil yun talaga gravy yun for me, you know. How can I eat Filipino food, enjoy Filipino food on a daily basis of my life? Nandito ako sa Amerika. Ang hindi ko makakalimutan, nung nagkapigsa ako, si Ma ang nag-dressing ng pigsa ko. Sa may banda dito. Ang sabi ni Ima, Chiche, talagang bolang ka. Interpret. Anyway, I hope you really, I know you had wonderful years with your kids and with your grandkids. My wish is truly that we will have many, many more. This is just the start of many, many more wonderful and exciting years for Ima. Happy birthday, Ma.
Bolang ka.